Welcome to homework number 5, angle relationships. On this one, I'd like you to choose any 8. You can choose any 8 you'd like to do. So I'm going to go through an example from the story problems. Examples 1 through 3 is a whole lot like the angle relationship page on the other parts. So let's go ahead and take a look at problem number 8. Actually, I'm going to go to problem number 9 because that has a little bit more to it. So let's go to problem number 9. Oops. So on problem number 9, it says if measure of angle P is 3 less than twice the measure of Q. Less than, remember less means minus. So over here I'm writing less is minus. Then reverses our order. So when we set this up, we're going to say the measure of angle P equals, and I'm going to translate, 3 less than twice. Twice is 2 times. So we have to reverse our order. So that means minus, the 3 is going to go after the minus, and the twice, which means 2 times the measure of angle Q. We don't know what Q is, so let's call that X. So measure of angle Q is X. And then it says the next part, angle P and Q are supplementary. So supplementary means the sum is 180. So again, it's where vocabulary is important. So if the sum is 180, I'm going to put over here equals 180. And then the sum of what? The sum of measure of P plus the measure of angle Q. Well, using substitution, P is 2x plus 3, or I'm sorry, 2x minus 3. And then I'm going to add the measure of angle Q, which is x. Now I need to combine like terms. 2x plus x is 3x minus 3. Notice these are on the same side, so I just combine them. I don't do the inverse operation. And now, because minus 3 and 180 is on the opposite side, I'm going to do the inverse operation, add 3. I get 183. Divide both sides by 3, and I get x is 61 degrees. So now I have x equals 61, so I need to go back in and substitute in. So the measure of angle P equals 2, and then if you notice the 61, I'll put that in a different color so it kind of stands out. 2 times 61 minus 3. I'll put that in the calculator. And I have 119 degrees. And then measure of angle Q is just x, so it's simply 61 degrees. If I want to check my answer, I take 119 plus 61, and that equals 180, so I know I'm correct. So again, just make sure you do 8 on this assignment, any 8 you'd like. Any questions, you can email me or send me something by remind. And again, remember, watch the video more than once if you need to.